Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Kumar Modi and you are watching my channel Optimistic Baba. So in today's episode of Positive People, I have with me Pankaj. Hi Pankaj,
Hi Chandan, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm good, absolutely good.
Thank, thank you so much Pankaj for your time. I know we are doing this video late night today because I understand you had some official commitment.
Yes,
So
yes.
yes. So before we go much into the discussion, so can you please introduce yourself regarding your background, educational background, and your work experience so far?
Actually, I'd done my PG means graduation in 2018 in mechanical branch from Nagpur, KDA College of Engineering. After that, in 2019, at start of 2019, I had started means start the courses of PG diploma in oil and gas sector. It is a piping designing course which I started in 2019 January from Hyderabad. So after that completion of that PG diploma, I thought that I will get a good opportunity in that sector, oil and gas sector. But after completing, I didn't got the expected job as per the market or as per. I think that the market was not good in oil and gas at that time, so I didn't got the job as expected. So after that, in 2020, I thought and I discussed with my cousin brother about the SAP and how can means how the SAP will be means how SAP is good to pursue a career in, and how
Right.
was the future growth in SAP, and how was the scope, what is the scope in SAP. So I asked him about the detailed knowledge. So he gave me the knowledge about that, some positives and some negatives about the SAP. First of all, he said me that the future and scope of SAP is very good about according to today's means market condition and all aspects. So, and after that, he said me the negatives that actually I am a fresher one. In 2018, I had completed my graduation, and after that, I didn't have any
Any
domain
domain
experience or
experience?
anything. So that's why he told me that in SAP there is some struggle. He didn't tell me that there is no job for freshers. Actually, he
Right.
told me that there is some struggle for freshers, but you will get a job. There is no means this is a misconceptions that misunderstandings that there is a no job for freshers, but actually there is. He told me there is jobs for fresher, but there is some struggle as compared to experienced one. If you have
Exactly.
some if you have some domain experience, he told me, if you have some domain experience, you will get a job easily as compared to fresher one.
Complete fresher who
Yes,
does
yes.
not have any kind of work
Any
experience.
kind of experience.
Right.
As I am the complete fresher. I don't have any domain experience and all. So
Right.
I got the guidance from him as of SAP. So then I thought about that. If I am not getting any job in other domain, so I should choose IT as my career for future.
Right.
So I means then I collected the information about SAPs. Then I started means searching about the SAPs modules and started searching the scope of SAPs and all, because I can't blindly trust anyone's guidance. So that's why I searched myself also about the SAPs. So then I thought that yes, SAP is a good future and good scope. So that's why I started means inquiring about the training institutes,
Right.
which are authorized training institutes, and I got some institutes, two three institutes in Pune, and then I inquired about one of the my institute, and my brother also told me
You.
the
Right.
institute, and I contacted them and I took the admission. After all searching and all getting the information about the institutes and checking the background of their and placements, assistance and all. After that, I took admission in Pune.
Okay.
Uh, uh, I choose the SD module. There is some means I am from mechanical background,
Right.
so in first of the my introduction introductory part, the sir, the head of that institute, he asked me, you are a mechanical engineer and you didn't choose material management, why is this?
Exactly. I
I
was going to
choose
ask you.
I this was I am ready for this answer. I
Right.
already know that everyone will ask me about this because I am a mechanical background person and I am choosing SD as my SAP module.
Right.
So I told him that actually in today's means situation, I need a job because my financial aspects are first preference for me.
Right.
So I choose SD because there is a lot of competition in mechanical as a material management module. There is a lot of competition as compared to SD module. So this is
Okay.
the only reason I choose SD. Nothing different or nothing else that I choose SD module. Because after completion of a certification of SD or anything else, or after getting a job, I can do my certifications in SD, MM, FI, anything else. But
Exactly.
as the start of my career, I want to get a means
Job as quickly as
quick
possible.
as quickly as possible. I want to get a job. That's why I choose a
Right.
less competitive SD module.
Okay. So let me first clear one misconception of yours. Of course, there is a trend that many mechanical engineers go for materials management. Okay,
Yes.
but I've seen quite a few going for SD, including you. And it is generally said that SD, MM, FI, these three are evergreen modules. So,
Yes.
anyways, you took a right decision in choosing SD because right now you are like we'll see when we'll hear your story from your mouth. So, when did you join this institute for certification?
I joined on mid of Jan
Uh,
2020. Yes,
2020. Okay.
2020.
Okay. Did you approach any local training institutes also? Those unauthorized training institutes, which
No,
they
no, no.
said.
I didn't have any knowledge about these unauthorized training institutes. Like I
Okay.
only know that means whenever I inquired about these training centers, I only got the information about the authorized training institutes. And actually, while investing this huge amount, I
Right.
thought that I should go with the full assistance of placement because by blindly investing in something like I invested before in piping designing, that I don't want to make a huge means another mistake by investing this much of amount.
Exactly. Exactly.
That's why I choose a authorized center, and they gave me a personal assistance also and placement assistance also.
Okay.
So that's why I choose that.
And when did you complete your certification?
In mid of March, in 15th of March, I had completed my certification, and after
Oh,
that, after 3 days, the lockdown happened.
oh yeah, I was coming to
Yes.
that because uh,
Uh,
uh, uh, I think you are no different than other three people whom I interacted with before. All of them completed their certification near to January, February 2020, and then lockdown actually came very heavily on many freshers or
yes, yes,
many people who
yes.
did their certification and waiting for their job. So tell me about that experience when you heard that there is a lockdown. So how did it impact you mentally? And I believe you had taken loan for the certification, right?
Yes, yes, yes. I took a
So
full amount loan of 4 lakh from HDFC Bank,
I
and
know.
it's actually when I took the admission in the month of January, I thought that there is a 6 month interest payment for HDFC Bank. Means you have to pay only interest for 6 months, like 4,000 per month. It's a interest only. So I
Okay.
thought that after completing the course in 3 months, I have 3 months to get a job, and 4,000 is a payable money for my family. It can be paid by my family for 3 months. Again, 3 months means 6 months I can sustain with this
Right.
4,000. So as everything is going well, uh, in 5th of March, I got a call from so in month of July, I lose all hopes of getting a job. because my monthly EMI of 12,000 has been started from the month of July, and I thought that I have to work in a different domain rather than SAP and search for SAP side by side.
Okay.
So at the end of July, I got a call from a company which I'm currently working on.
Okay.
Uh, So after that, on first week of August, actually, when I got a call from a company, I thought that I didn't react too much about that because before that also I got some calls from companies, but they didn't respond me for the interview round. So I didn't reacted much for that company call. But suddenly they called me for on 6th of August for that your interview is scheduled for tomorrow. So I'm
Okay.
little much means I'm much excited about the interview. So suddenly I started preparing for the interview, and everything was going well. And the first round was done very well. Means as expected, I'm really sure about that because in pandemic also I didn't means there is a tough conditions, but I start means my preparation was going on. I
Right.
didn't stop my preparation and stop my practice because I started my server practices also, and I studied my whole syllabus also in pandemic also. So that's why I am pretty much sure about the first interview round. So after two
Exactly.
three days, after 2 3 days, I got a call from my HR that you have cleared your round. Then they got me the second round on 15th of August, and basically that is the managerial round, and I completed that round also with means that I got a good appreciation from my manager that he took the round, and he said me that you are very means as a fresher you are have a very good knowledge of SAP, and I thought that means I got a gut feeling that I will clear this round also. And after 1 week, they scheduled my HR round, and this goes well, fine, very well. This was the means this August month was a
Very lucky.
very lucky month for me. I got a HR and all. Every interview round was cleared by me, and at the end of August, I got my offer letter from
Yeah.
my company. So in this whole process, I will just say one thing that for only fresher means as I'm a fresher, I will tell the genuine and perfect reason to don't lose a hope for your
Exactly.
jobs, because
Exactly.
if you are studying hard or you are trying hard to get a job,
Right.
so then you will get a job. And
Mm.
one thing I will say that this interview call which I got, it was the job offer I got from the Naukri.com, not from my institute, not from LinkedIn. I got it from Naukri.com. That's why I'm telling everyone that in some LinkedIn post that I saw that they are spreading just negatives that freshers are getting, means institutes are fooling them and all. But I will say that if you are investing huge amount, don't stay for negative side, go for positive ones, because if you are investing, don't regret for it. First of all, because you invested 4 lakhs and I invested 4 lakh, because I didn't feel that I wasted my money. I thought I will search other job side by side, I will search SAP job. So this is also a second option for SAP aspirants or SAP fresher ones.
Right.
So after I will say only, I say this also that students or freshers should have active LinkedIn profiles and active Naukri.coms, Monster, Indeed. There are some portals
Job
which can
portal.
help them. Yes, there are some job portals, genuine job portals, which are not fake, and they can help them to get a good job opportunity.
Right.
As I got from my company, which I'm currently working for, and I got a good package as a fresher, pressure as well as risk,
Right.
because from my family side, the my financial condition was not that much good to sustain 12,000 per month as on. So that's why it's a very pressurized time for me and a very risky moment for me. And it is a risk moment to get a job. And finally, I got a good job in SAP as a fresher. And
You're
I
loving it.
hope, yes, I'm totally loving it. And it's my hometown. So that is a double bonus for me. So I'm very satisfied with my job. And I'm truly believe that every fresher and every SAP aspirant will get a job because if you are doing hard work, you will get opportunity. There is
Exactly.
no other chance because if you are genuine to yourself and your work, you will get the results.
Right.
So only best everyone should learn something from everyone because everyone has their own stories to share.
Exactly. Exactly. I think few points which you mentioned very correctly and a bit differently. What you did is while the pandemic situation was going on and people were running here and there to get a job, you kept your cool and you just kept brushing up so that the moment you get that one particular opportunity, which was very difficult to get, so you thought that
Yes,
let
yes,
at least one particular opportunity, I'll prepare myself in a way that I'll grab that opportunity and that's what you did. I mean, that's
yes,
something which is commendable because I also interact with a couple of people where they say that I got only two opportunities, I got only three opportunities. So I always try to ask them that why weren't you able to crack that opportunity? Because see, we
yes,
also freshers not only in SAP in every technology in every field, there is always a challenge for freshers because the manpower supply is very high than demand. So
yes, right.
why not cracking that first opportunity? See, getting an opportunity is a luck,
Yes,
okay,
right,
but cracking is not. So when you said
right.
August was very lucky, I think August was only lucky. August was lucky for you for only one aspect that you got it. You got that
Yes,
opportunity,
right,
but
right,
you cleared first round, you cleared second round, you cleared HR round was all because of your effort,
right.
all because of your practice, net practice, you can say, all because
Yes,
of
yes,
your keeping cool and focusing in your studies so that that one opportunity and you have it. So I
yes,
think
yes,
that really makes sense and good that you highlighted that people should be positive. I think that is a very important aspect and there is a very strong message from your side considering that you were a complete fresher. You did not have
yes,
any
yes.
work experience. Why I
Right.
asked you are happy because you actually I think wanted to go into oil and gas sector, but now you are in a completely different sector.
Yes, yes, it's a different role for me currently because
Exactly.
oil and gas sector is related to mechanical and piping designing also related to mechanical.
Right.
So this is the very bold step from my side that I took a
Yes.
different means step towards the IT sector. So
Right.
it's a risk also and it's a good step also that I got a benefit on in that.
I can see from your face that you are happy.
Yes,
So
yes,
that's very good. I think people should definitely take some good lessons from this video. And thank you so much, Pankaj, for coming. I really grand salute to you because your story was a bit different than other interviews I did. You were a complete fresher. You wanted to go in a different line, but did not work. Then, without wasting your time or without crying, you opted for second option. You did it. The pandemic hit you, but again, you kept your cool. You started practicing, and that one opportunity, and you cracked it. I think you got it all together, and now you're very happy in your job. Thank you so much, Pankaj,
yes,
for your time,
yes,
and I hope to see you soon. If whenever I come to Nagpur, definitely I'll meet you.
yes, yes. Thank you.
Thank
Absolutely, you should meet me, and I'm
you.
waiting for you.
Definitely, definitely. Bye.
Bye, bye. Thank you.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was Pankaj, who was a complete fresher. He studied a completely different subject. He wanted a different career, but unfortunately, he did not get that. So, without wasting much of his time, he immediately switched to plan B, and that was ITP, most sought after industry in India. He started studying about SAP. He enrolled himself into an SAP institute for a global certification. And when he completed, the pandemic hit him hard. Now anyone will break down because he already had loan of 4 lakh rupees, 400,000 rupees, but he kept his cool. He knew that being a fresher, he will not get many opportunities knocking his door. So he was preparing. He was preparing himself for that one particular opportunity, which he did not know when will that come. But one thing he wanted to be very confident about is, one thing he wanted to be very sure of is, when that particular opportunity comes, he should crack it, kill in the first bullet. And that's what he did. The first opportunity came, he cracked all the interviews, and then he is currently working in one of the biggest IT MNCs, and that too at his home location. So friends, many people call this as being lucky, but I think luck factor only worked once, and that was when he got that opportunity. And one more thing, if you may have observed, that he did not rely completely on the training and placement provided by the institute. He also tried his level best to get jobs from other sources. Like he said, he got his job from Naukri.com. So what I would suggest, what he has suggested, and I would like to reiterate that, do not lose hope. Prepare yourself, okay, and do not completely rely on one source. Keep trying. Definitely one day you will get what you want. With this, I would like to close today's video. If you like it, kindly subscribe to my channel, because that gives me motivation to make more videos like this. Like and share and be a part of this wonderful community which likes to spread happiness and positivity. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.